Good morning, myself Shiny. I hope all are fine at home. Today I am going to explain on the topic laws of motion. We know that three laws are there. Newton first law, Newton second law, Newton third law. Before going to this topic, I would like to explain inertia. Inertia means, what do you mean by inertia? For example, we know that this object, chalk piece, it is at a rest. We know that I am keeping hand like this, continuously it is at a rest, no change at all. Then one more example, here we are keeping one ball, okay, keeping on in floor or whatever it is, keeping one ball. Then if you are applying some force, external force we are applying, then it will move. After some time maybe it will stop because of due to frictional force. If you are not applying any force, frictional force also it is not there, continuously it will move. A body is at rest, it is continuously rest. A body is in motion, it is continuously in motion. The tendency of a body is known as inertia. Body is at rest, the black body is at rest, continuously at rest. Tomorrow also same situation, no change at all. Then body is at rest, it is continuously at rest. A body is in motion, if we are not applying any external force, it is continuously in motion. Okay, the tendency of body, we can say that is inertia. Inertia means that a property of a body due to which to resist or oppose the change of state or motion. To resist change in state or change in state of rest or of motion. That is inertia. Inertia means it is a property of a body due to which it resists a change in its state of rest or of motion. That means body is at rest, it is continuously rest. A body is in motion, it is continuously in motion. Okay? If we are applying external force only, it will change. Otherwise, it is at a rest means rest only. Motion means motion only. The tendency of a body is known as inertia. Then, inertia depends on mass. Inertia depends on first factor, that is mass. That means, for example, stone having more inertia than plastic ball. Stone mass is more, then inertia is more. Plastic ball mass is less, then inertia is less. It depends on that mass. Inertia depends on mass. Then how to avoid this inertia? If you are applying more external force, according to that object, if you are applying external force, we can avoid this inertia. Okay? That means it depends on mass. Heavier object have more mass. That means inertia is more. Lighter object have less mass. Then inertia is less. Then next one, types of inertia. First type is inertia of rest. First one is inertia of rest. Second one is inertia of motion. Third one is inertia of direction. In your textbook they mentioned these two types, inertia of rest, inertia of motion. One more type is there, inertia of direction. Inertia of rest, that means I told already, rest object always become rest only. If you are not applying any external force, rest object become in rest. Okay? It opposes any change opposes inertia of rest opposes any change in its state of rest. Inertia of rest. It opposes any change in its state of rest. Inertia of motion means it opposes any change in its state of motion. If you are applying any object is moving, that time if you are applying any external force, that time only that will change. Otherwise it is continuously in motion. That is inertia of motion. It opposes any change in its state of motion. Third one, inertia of direction. It opposes any change in its state of direction. These are the three types. First one, inertia of rest. One example. Inertia of rest. Examples. Inertia of rest. Example is, I have taken one glass. Okay, empty glass. After that, above that we are keeping one card. Okay. Then above this card, we are keeping one rupees coin we are keeping. Okay. And we are touching from this side. Okay. Then what happened? This card moves away from this glass. Card it will move another side, but this coin, 1 rupees coin falls into this glass. Okay, this is inertia of rest is an example. Inertia of rest. Example of inertia of rest. That means first both objects, this also it is rest. We are touching only this card. The external force applying on this card. Then card it will move. But that coin is at rest. Tendency to continue that rest. That is why it falls into that glass. Okay. One more example. Inertia of rest. If you are switch on that fan. Okay. We know that switch on fan. Just to press on. That time what happened? It will rotate slowly 1 or 2 times. That is inertia of rest. Then continuously it will rotate very fastly. First rotate very slowly. That is because of inertia of rest. Then one more example. If you are using that carom board we are using. We are touching one coin. We are pressing one coin. That touch with another coin. That coin remains same. Which coin we are touching? That is coin. Here this one carom board. One coin is here. We are touching from this side. Okay. Then this touch with this coin it will go another side. But this coin will keep on that center. This is another example of inertia of rest. Second one is inertia of motion. Same example only. If you are going by bus or whatever it is, car also moving, automatically we are also moving. Then the driver applying brake. Then what happens? We will go forward due to this inertia of motion. Then fan also. We are continuously rotating. Switch off this fan. What happens? After few minutes it will rotate again, then becomes stop. That is inertia of motion. Okay. Then next one is our main heading is laws of motion. Newton first law. This law states that every body continues its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless it is acted some external force to change that state of rest or of uniform motion. That means rest object always in rest. I told the blackboard. This is always in rest. Moving object, if you are not applying any force, it is continuously in motion. If you are not applying any external force, rest object become rest. Motion, that object become motion means that is continuously in motion. That's only Newton first law. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on that topic Newton second law.